As a busy mom, this cordless vacuum has been a lifesaver. With powerful suction, an easy-to-read LED display, and a 45-minute runtime, it tackles everything from crumbs to pet hair. Lightweight and versatile, it makes cleaning quick and stress-free. I can't believe how much easier my daily chores have become. This cordless vacuum simplifies cleaning with its lightweight, cordless design, making it easy to move from room to room without any hassle. The LED display is useful for tracking battery life, and with up to 45 minutes of runtime, you can usually clean the entire house on a single charge. The powerful motor handles dust and pet hair effortlessly on hard floors or carpets. Its versatility shines with multiple attachments, allowing you to tackle various surfaces and tight spaces, including corners and car interiors. The dustbin is easy to empty, minimizing mess. The vacuum operates quietly, so you can clean without disturbing others in the home. When you're done, the wall mount offers convenient storage, keeping the vacuum out of the way, but always within reach.